in this video how to resolve the access to Roblox authentication as. So first go downside, scroll down and click support, and in this you can see this page will appear. In this you can go and click the Roblox account. Yes, this one I need help. So in this you scroll down and what kind of helps you need, you can click that one. You have a lot of help. You need to click the particular verification of your account have issue, troubleshooting, two-step verification of which have you have issues. You can click that one, and in this page appear, scroll back down and you can click need more help. So after that it will appear the this page. In this your date of birth you need to put correctly. Just click it and put your date of birth correctly as you given for Roblox, and click continue, and you need to give your username, first name, email address, confirm email address, and what device you have issue, PC, and what type of help you need, and what is the problem. You need to give this, and also tell the description what help, what you need to need, exactly what you need, that you write in description and click continue. It will go, mail will come to your mail ID to solve this issue. Thank you.